This tiny crochet heart takes just a few minutes to make. Use it as a back charm, keychain or cute decoration. Let's crochet one together. Feel free to use any yarn you like. To make this puffy heart charm, we'll need two identical heart pieces. Start with the magic ring. All stitches will be worked into the ring. Chain 3. Now make 3 treble crochet stitches into the magic ring. If you are new to crochet, take your time here. I'm showing these stitches slowly on screen. Gently pull the stitches together. Next, make 4 double crochet stitches. Pull the stitches together slightly again, and the first half of the heart is done. For the bottom point of the heart, make a small picot. Chain 1. Then make a slip stitch into the back bump of the chain. Now let's crochet the second half of the heart. Make 4 double crochet stitches. Then make 3 treble crochet stitches. Pull the stitches together slightly. Chain 3. And finish with a slip stitch into the magic ring. Carefully tight the magic ring. Fasten off and weave in the ends. Make a second heart the same way. And let's join the 2 pieces together. I'm sewing mine with simple stitches. And that's it, our little adorable heart is finished. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. You will find plenty of cute crochet projects here, from quick beginner-friendly makes to more detailed creations. Thank you for crocheting with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.